Never waste a good crisis. And when it comes to the economic crisis, don't waste it when it can have a very positive impact.
You never want a serious crisis to go to waste.
The way we're going to win over the long term is not just militarily. We've got to win over hearts and minds. And what that means is we've got to invest in countries that have no educational infrastructure, have no means for young people to get ahead. We've got to give them a stake in creating the kind of world order that I think all of us would like to see.
Stay tuned for politics and religion. Well, this breaking story comes like a bombshell. Federal Judge Carter sets trial date for Obama's eligibility. Now, most of you know out there that there have been challenges as to whether Barack Obama was really born in the United States of America, if he is a legal citizen. According to the reports that we have received, the attorneys of President Obama have already spent over $1 million trying to bury this case. And, of course, the burning question by the doubters has been, well, if he's a legal citizen, why spend $1 million? Why not just pay the $10 to get the original birth certificate and present it to the entire world? Now, there are all kinds of excuses, I guess they would be called, as to why that's not the simplest solution. And in the meantime, there's a tremendous amount of curiosity. Why can't we read the college records of our president, both when he was at, I believe it was Pepperdine University, and then, of course, he went to Harvard. You cannot read any of those records. You cannot read the theses that he did for his master's dissertation. So consequently, what's all the secrets about? And now then, there have been court cases filed, and this one in particular is scheduled to come to trial January the 26th of 2010. The date has been set. Now, you know the pressures are going to be absolutely incredible on this case. Nevertheless, let me tell you what's coming down here. Many concerned veterans and citizens attended the hearing in federal court in Santa Ana, California, in the lawsuit against Barack Obama to determine his eligibility to be president and commander-in-chief. Now, there was a serviceman in particular that was given orders to go to Afghanistan, Iraq, or somewhere, and he filed suit not to go, saying, I don't believe that Barack Obama is a U.S. citizen, therefore he is not legal to be my president, and he may be issuing orders illegally. I am not going to be bound to obey those orders until he gives proof that he is a legal citizen of the United States of America. About 150 people showed up at the court hearing, almost all in support of the lawsuit, to demand that Obama release his birth certificate and other records that he has hidden from the American people. Now, frankly, I would like for him to release these records. I know that he put a document on the internet called Certificate of Live Birth. However, it does not have a hospital. It does not have the delivering doctor on it. And it is not a legal birth certificate. You could not use it, I don't believe, to even get a legal ID card here in the United States of America. I know I had to have an original certified birth certificate to get my driver's license here in the state of Texas. I had to have my original Social Security card. So I don't believe what he put on the internet would even allow him to receive a driver's license in the state of Texas. Now, Judge David Carter refused to hear Obama's request for dismissal. He indicated there was almost no chance that this case would be dismissed. Obama is arguing this lawsuit was filed in the wrong court. Why is that? I don't know. However, the request for dismissal has been denied. Assuming Judge Carter continues to deny Obama's motion for dismissal, he will likely then order expedited discovery, which will force Obama to release his birth certificate in a timely manner. That is, of course, if he has one. The judge, who is a former U.S. Marine, repeated several times that this is a very serious case which must be resolved quickly so that troops know that their commander-in-chief is eligible to hold that position and issue lawful orders to our military in this time of war. He basically said Obama must prove his eligibility to the court. He said Americans deserve to know the truth about their president. Now, if he's a legal citizen, then he's duly elected. He's our legal president. And I think every American should be able to go to bed every night and say, okay, that's the case. If he's not a legal resident, then we've been conned big time. We have a shyster, we have a deceiver occupying our White House, and that should be known. Let's just get the facts out. It doesn't matter who's right. We just want to know what is right. So this is a tremendous development that's just taking place, and if it really comes to pass, now all the power of the presidency is going to try to stop it, but it's going to be interesting to watch between now and January.